This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to capture speech immediately. First, open Live Transcribe or Google Recorder and grant microphone access. This lets the app hear audio. Once done, pick the primary language and optional translation language so words map correctly. Make sure the device is 6-12 inches from the speaker and reduce background noise to improve accuracy. You'll see live captions begin. Press the record button to start and watch words appear, as the app converts sound into editable text in real time. Once recording, manage the middle of the session by pausing and resuming to skip irrelevant material. Timestamps help you return to key moments. You can tap any transcribed phrase to correct misheard words and add punctuation or speaker labels. This improves readability and searchability later. If something sounds fuzzy, use the app's playback to listen and confirm the text and make edits. These steps prevent compounding errors and ensure your final transcript is accurate and ready for export. You finish by exporting or sharing the transcript. Choose plain text, copy to clipboard, or save to cloud so others can access it. Before you finalize, scan timestamps and speaker notes for consistency and make any last edits to grammar or names. If transcription quality drops, check a key troubleshooting item. Confirm microphone permission and update the app. Also reduce background noise or move closer to the speaker. These quick fixes usually restore accuracy, so you can rely on the saved file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.